Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, the man in my room, in the know. For click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, before we get into the reasoning, yes, the special is still up and running. DM the IG page, Jayden_Chase_ for more inquiries. Now, viewers and subscribers, 2021 Freedom Year. We have dubbed it the Freedom Year, viewers and subscribers. And we see most people are talking about that post from Isaac Buchanan. But we're going to talk about the caption. The caption read, me talking to 2021 after experiencing 2020, viewers and subscribers. And all the attempts made by the ODPP, viewers and subscribers, to cover up their conduct during the whole trial, and the fact that the appeal court itself was influenced by outside powers, viewers and subscribers, much similar to what we see take place at the St. Catherine Correctional Facility. Here we hear some people are talking about it, viewers and subscribers. It is now a big topic. Now what is taking place, was taking place, or what the authorities are saying did not take place, was a hunger strike. And they're saying it was based on, inmates are saying it's based on excessive search plus harassment and the overall treatment while these searches are being conducted. For some reason, people are trying to attach that whole scenario to Vybz Kartel. I don't know if a Vybz Kartel alone, they are prison. Freedom for all co-accused. Big up Sean Storm, you know the thing go. Siva the Loyal Zombie, Vybz Kartel, big up Madsu Skyro, you know the something go. Now, viewers and subscribers, it is reported that the authorities are saying, first and foremost, we'll point this out. They are saying the issue did not take place. Just to clear up that. Yes, they are saying this issue did not occur whatsoever. But the human rights group Stand Up for Jamaica are saying that based on their investigations, viewers and subscribers, it has been revealed through statements from their attorneys who visited the maximum security prison on Monday and received numerous reports, viewers and subscribers, that yes, during these searches, which are excessive, they don't know why, and the treatment overall, still not see why them try to tie this into Vybz Kartel's name, but it does affect everybody there, and we know for a fact, it is always reported that Vybz Kartel is always targeted when these searches are being conducted. For some reason, we don't know why, and all these attempts have been futile. They have never ever found anything to prompt them to search again, but them do it nonetheless. Remember, if there was nothing found the first time, then what prompt you to search again? And you didn't find, and you search, and what prompts you to continue searching without any, what they would call, probable cause? No one knows. But freedom is a must, viewers and subscribers, and based on the statements from Isaac Buchanan himself, viewers and subscribers, no doubt, 2021, remember, where some people are asked, what are the official dates to do when the ball will be rolling? Now, first and foremost, remember, we still await on that key exhibit. It has to be released in 2021. And after that, Isaac will be making another statement to confirm. He must point out, so what you know, based on the attempts of OCB in 2020 by the social elite, by the so-called system. It is clear. It is clear. Them not like, first and foremost, dancehall artists entirely. So for all who I feel like say, oh, I'm just the teacher, you have to remember what the teacher represents, what the name Vybz Kartel represents for dancehall music. It represents the genre itself. Just like how Vybz Kartel is the king of the genre, the face of the genre of dancehall music. By doing this to the teachers, a clear message to other artists, viewers and subscribers. It's almost a way for them to try to keep them in line. Keep them with the status quo, meaning say doing it how the system want you to do it. Talk about what the system want you talk about. Highlight what the system want you highlight. And you better don't highlight the things them a try to hide. Maintaining the control over dancehall artists by how them put out music. Controlling their independent endeavors. One at a time, you'd have to go through a certain producer for boss. The teacher changed the whole settings there. He was an artist. We give producers that exposure. One of the only artists who are going to say, what you know? You can parlay with musical success and use it for also have a business aspect side of the music and create a different avenue or revenue stream where we can be successful at. Let's be entrepreneurs. Let's get everybody who know involved in something so that they can start generating income for themselves. Think about what dancehall represents to the masses. You hear how much millions they must say the government will lose just by not issuing. Each parish council has talked about how much millions them lose just by not issuing party permits. Just from party permits alone. Imagine how much a liquor company will lose. You know what I mean? Imagine how much the economy itself, how much GDP was missed. So why them now give dancehall music its rightful glory? As I would have said, look at it as an industry. Some people say because it helped too much poor people. And the system was not structured in a way, remember. The system, majority, are 9 to 5. So within certain hours, majority of industries are closed down. Dancehall is a nightlife aspect. And the majority of countries in the first world countries, upon Las Vegas, you know how much millions of dollars Las Vegas generate for North America. Just based on that nightlife aspect alone. But yet still, our country refuses to acknowledge dancehall and our nightlife aspect, which will generate the GDP what we are miss. And because them deem dancehall as something, something for them, poor people something. Very. This is how they have demonized our dancehall artists as well. Because saying that dancehall artists represent the negative aspect of our culture. And saying that their music glorifies these negative aspects of our culture, which is wrong. The artists are just, as I said before, basically documenting what is taking place here through music. They are saying that these artists and the genre of dancehall are negative for our culture, while majority of tourists have followed out here. Them fall for the beaches and the landscape, the cuisine, the people, of course. And that is all tied into the music as well. So that's what I want, people. You know what I mean? Is that statement and what is taking place at the St. Catherine Correctional Facility. That I go on. Talk to me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. I don't know the feel. If you notice that the more I try to connect the teacher name to certain stories that happen at these correctional facilities, even though it is true these searches have been excessive. Truth be told, everybody has said, even prisoners who are there are now saying the searches are now excessive. Talk to me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. If I said one called Jayden, a dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative by inside reminding you know. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but they like the reason, of course, I like the point of view. I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon And then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. This is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content. That's not fresh content. It's uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is in close proximity to the share icon. Yes, indeed. Post a share and drop a like on the vlog, man. Comment section open 24/7. Never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions right there. You know there's something gonna be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, you know the settings. And for those who don't, the move settings, fam. And we no need a ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is gonna live, love, and prosper, of course, until we reason again.